Hi guys, welcome to Workshop Wednesday. How's everybody doing this beautiful, beautiful day? I'm here in the studio and I actually want to start out by saying a big shout out to Tidy Living. Look at my beautiful space. Tamar came over and helped me get organized and everything has its place now and I know exactly where to find it, so I'm so excited. And another thing that I'm really, really excited about is we dropped 2 new products this week. COVID was a long year. Things kind of started and stopped and started and stopped. But we have 2 new products, actually 3, up on the website for you guys. And so I wanted to give you a quick demo today. And these are kind of beach accessories or beach necessities. Mother's Day is coming up, Memorial Day is coming up. So I know some of us are going to be taking a little me time at the beach. And it's so important to be comfortable when you're there at the beach. So we decided to create our very own beach towel, which I want to show you guys. It's massive, so I don't even think I'm going to be able to hold it up and get it in the frame, but I'm going to give it a try. Ta-da! It has our brand name across it. It's 30 inches by 60 inches, so that would be like 6 feet by 2.5 feet. It's definitely long enough and wide enough to lounge on. It's really, really soft microfiber, so it dries very quickly. It absorbs the water. You can shake it out. We actually photographed it last week in the grass, and I just shook it off. The grass came out. Sand won't stick. So it's a beautiful, beautiful product and so super soft. You could actually use it as a blanket as well. So check it out. So excited about this. Can fit right in your beach bag. You can actually roll it up nice and skinny, smaller than a yoga mat. Maybe tie a little something around it, a hair tie. And the other thing I wanted to bring you guys is something to stay hydrated. It's so important to drink water for so many reasons, but plastics are one of the highest pollutants on the earth. I think it's something like 8 million tons of plastic end up in our oceans every year, and a bulk of the plastic that's produced is made for single-use plastics like water bottles, which is so sad. It's something that's so preventable. So we thought we would contribute to the change by bringing you our very own water bottle. So here it is. It says Mírame. Mírame, it also says underneath, look at me. So mírame in Spanish means look at me, and it's a command statement. You know, when you wear swimsuits, you will draw attention because you'll be so unique and graceful on the beach, but in a very understated way. And so our water bottle kind of goes along with that theme. And I just love that phrase for me because whenever my mom was kind of yelling at us, she would be like, Belinda, mírame. So I just thought I would create my brand with that name because it commanded my attention. I would stop what I was doing and I would look at her. So this is our water bottle, and it has a little keychain thing. You can put it on your belt loop, onto your beach bag, or whatever it is that you would like. Okay, so that's that. It's up on the site. And then we do also have a beach bag up. And I don't have an example of it here because I didn't get the sample in yet, but pictures are up on the site, so check it out. Join our mailing list, you guys, because you'll get a special entry discount that you can apply to these new products or anything new. And then in the background, you will see something very special. This is a brand new swimsuit that I'm so excited about. I don't even want to get into talking about it today because I want to do a whole one dedicated to it because I'm just that excited about this brand new suit. So stay tuned next week or the week after to hear all about the brand new Monokini. Okay, bye guys.